Please subscribe. Okay. Okay. Paul Nice is the MC. We got Z. We getting down with the funk and sound. And check it out. Here's how you do it. Y'all know me at the BIC. To rock the microphone most definitely. Bringing you style that you never heard. Like by the thug.
La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh, we are recording now? Thank you for telling me. Good evening, or morning, or afternoon, as the case may be. And welcome back again to Cooking with the Daddio. Tonight, we're going to make a special delicacy for you. We're going to make orange marmalade glazed chicken wings. Birds, you'll become part of this dinner if you do not shut your mouth. Anyway, so, as we begin, we always start with our meals. We always preheat the oven 400 degrees. Now, while that is going on, I will prepare the chicken. So, we'll take our pan, our little sheet tray, is all we need. We're going to line it with some aluminum foil if it is not non-stick. That is up to you. I do not like using aluminum foil because it sticks and pulls off. So, we're going to go to the freezer and grab this all bag of the chicken wings. They can be frozen. Frozen is just fine. We're going to cook these chicken wings. They're already separated. We're going to cook these chicken wings for 25 to 30 minutes. Because they are frozen, if they are thawed out, might be a little bit less, like 15, 20. But because they are frozen, 25 to 30 minutes. The oven is hot enough now. Now, while we are waiting on the chicken to cook, we'll make our marmalade glaze. So, we go into the cabinet and we get the can of the bottle of the orange marmalade, and we get a little juice of the orange and some seasoning should you get to put them in. And we're going to take ourselves a little bowl like this one, and we're going to go ahead and we shall pour in 8 ounces of the orange marmalade. Take our orange juice, pour in just about half a cup. With that being done, we take our whisk and we whisk it all up. Get it all nice and mixed in now. Indeed. And now we go and we add a little balsamic vinaigrette. Just like a couple tablespoons for a little tartness. Now we get it all mixed up. Our chicken wings are done cooking. I almost fell. Ooh, I had to pick up the feet when I cook. Open the oven. And I'm going to go ahead and close the chicken wings. Give them a little turn. Get some more coating on the chicken wings. And put them back in the oven for another 10 minutes. So, alright then. Now, while that is cooking, we are going to go ahead and I have something wet on my floor. Okay, So while that is cooking, we are going to go ahead and answer some of your letters. I like this segment of the show. Answer letter kind of thing. And here we have a letter from a one Angelia Smith, and it says, "Dear Daddio, I am having a hard time working with the sausage. I take it, I put it on the pan to fry it, and I always scorch it on one side. I do not know why this always happens to me." Well, Angelia, you have to realize that the sausage is a very tender piece of meat, and you want to be very lovingly with it. When you cook it, you can't just let it lay on one side. You must flip it over as you cook it constantly, so you do not burn it. So be sure you're flipping the sausage meat, okay? Okay, thank you. Now, on to the chicken. It is done. Smells that chicken. It's smelling very good. And we will go ahead and try it out now. Oh no, oh. It's looking very tender and juicy. The chicken is. And here we go. Very tasty. I must now have some wine to wash it down with. Remember when drinking wine, give it a little swirl. Helps it liven up a little bit. Well, that is it for Cooking with Daddio. Thank you very much, and have a wonderful day. Know that was easy, no?